cosa peggiore è che vedi tanta sofferenza, tante persone che stanno male, tante persone che sono da sole e tu puoi fare ben poco.
Dr. Ai Fen. She's the director of the emergency department at the Wuhan Central Hospital. She's also the reason why the world found out about China's cover-up.
Thousands have died.
Hundreds of leaked Chinese documents expose how China organized the mass detention of the
Chen Qiushi wanted the world to know what was going on in Wuhan. For 2 weeks, the prominent lawyer and citizen journalist posted videos from the virus epicenter, revealing the true scale of a tragedy he said was unfolding before his eyes.
This disease has challenged everything that we believed was right 6 weeks ago.
It's different than anything we've seen before.
The coronavirus has mutated, and the second strain is more aggressive than the original. A group of scientists and researchers from 6 research centers in China documented the mutation in a report published in late February. It analyzed 103 cases from around the world, with the majority of them from China's Hubei province, where the virus first appeared. Keep in mind, viruses are always mutating, particularly RNA viruses such as the COVID-19 coronavirus. However, a genetic analysis of the cases showed that the COVID-19 coronavirus evolved into 2 major types, the S-type and the L-type. Let's take a closer look at each one. The S-type, which had infected about 30% of cases examined, is considered to be the older of the two and is likely to have appeared when the virus jumped from animals to humans. The L-type, which infected around 70% of the cases, is thought to have emerged afterwards. And according to the report, it replicates faster in human populations, causing it to accumulate more mutations, and is more aggressive than the S-type due to the potentially higher transmission rates. So, should we be even more worried? In an article published by New Scientist magazine, Ian Jones, professor of virology at the University of Reading, says the differences in the strains are minute and won't change the way the virus works or is transferred. This helps explain why the trials for a vaccine target the protein that binds COVID-19 to human cells rather than the virus itself. However, the report by the Chinese scientists also revealed that although the L-type was the more aggressive of the 2 strains, the number of L-type infections fell in January. It suggests that the rapid and comprehensive prevention and control measures implemented by the Chinese government reduced infections of the L-type, leading to an abundance of S-type infections, which are now more common. However, the report cautions that sample size was limited and more data is required for further analysis, particularly as the virus spreads. Epidemiologists widely agree that once infected with the coronavirus, patients are unlikely to catch it again, unless the virus mutates to such a point that it can overcome our immune defenses. The best way to prevent that from happening is to gather as much data as possible and keep tabs on the number of mutations as scientists race to develop a vaccine for this fast-spreading virus.